everyone, and welcome back to
Cooking to the Max
with me, Max.
And Dad on the assist again.
Today we are going to make salchichas con huevos, hot dog with eggs. Let's get started.
So for the first part of this challenge, we need you to grab all the tools, all the ingredients you need. Ready? Go. And now, pop quiz. Which one of these knives is good for hot dog cutting?
Come on, Dad, they're just hot dogs. These are the future. Anyway, so now we're gonna open the package and cut the 2 hot dogs. If you need help with opening the package, ask a parent or your guardian.
Oh, very nice. All right. So you just need one bowl. The bowl is fine. Now just go ahead and use your fingers to put your finger in there and grab a hot dog. Just grab one.
Yeah.
Take it out. There you go.
I love cutting. It's more efficient and it's so satisfying. Satisfying correction for me. And
So how big should you cut them?
around this size. Around this size.
So you want to make sure you're. How about you put your hands in the air, Max? There you go. Cut them like that. And remember, open scissors. Yeah, there you go. Open scissors. Make sure you take care of your fingers.
And that we don't cut them.
Yeah, but remember, bigger. You don't want little slicey ones. There you go. Little slicey ones, whatever that means. Good. So we want to focus just a little bit bigger on the sides because we don't want them to burn as easy. We want to be able to let the egg to be cooked. Yeah, that's a good size. Like that. Awesome. I think, Max, you're forgetting something.
Oh yeah, we should turn on the heat. We'll turn
Good.
it on high because we have less time because I wasted 1 hot dog of time on it, so I don't know. I don't count or keep track of time right now.
Good. Open your scissors. Yeah, there you go. Never too old to work on your cutting.
True. Especially I have who knows how much more time I have to live. I don't know what I'm saying right now. So that is how you cut hot dogs. And the reason we're not putting oil on the pan is because they release a lot of their own oil. So for the egg, we won't need extra oil. So we don't have very oily eggs. And then we are going to grab our spatula and we are going to separate them so we don't have stuck together burnt hot dogs. And we're going to let them cook. And now we are going to crack the eggs. Let's get the eggs out. I was about to crack some eggs with extra eggshell. Give them a good hit. That one was flashy. And I like to call myself the human whisperer. And maybe to be more efficient on how my dad taught me.
Pop quiz. How do you get smooth, consistent eggs?
You tilt them a little bit and you whisk them very fast.
Let me see. Show me. Show me that wrist movement. Alright, don't spill them now. Not too sideways.
Just around like that.
Challenge passed.
And see, that's how we like them. I'm trying to flip them, but it is currently not working. Yeah, all the oil splashing. So that means we are going to turn down the heat. That was at high. Now we are going to pour the egg.
Alright, Max, so while this thing is heating up and cooking, you see how those edges around the egg are starting to get a little bit solid? Over here, some of these are not quite ready. On this side, it is though. Alright, when you do this, you want to make sure that all that liquid on top is a little bit more cooked. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on one of the edges, scoot it to the side, so it falls, the liquid falls over to the side instead. Spatula. On one of those edges with the spatula, and move the egg to the side. Use a spatula. And then you want it to pour like that. You're gonna lean it. There you go. Good, and now go on that side and do the same. Now lean it. You want all this liquid to fall over here. Hard with your muscles. There you go, break it up. Go ahead and start flipping some of those pieces over. Lift it, Max, in the air. Flip it. Yeah, there you go.
Pancake skills.
Now break it up more, a lot more. Everything, Max, as much as you can with your strength. You want to make sure that this thing is straight up and down. And look, yeah, there you go. Break it up. There you go. And now we're gonna turn off that fire because the leftover fire really can just cook the leftover heat. Can really cook up that egg.
And it's slippery.
Yeah. So we got now salchicha con huevos. It's a simple breakfast. It's easy to make. My friend here can get up in the morning, cook some toast, maybe put some cheese on it, get it ready, feed it to his sister, eat it himself, and he's ready to go.
Hi guys, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, and make sure you turn on notifications so you never miss another video.
That's right. Now on for this taste test. We made some salchicha con huevo. We got a little bit of toast. We got some tapatio and some ketchup. We got variety, so let's dig in. You guys want ketchup?
Yeah.
You want ketchup on mine? Yeah? You don't want that? That's my favorite. I like to eat it with some toast sometimes. Sometimes a tortilla, but this will be right.
Whoa. Wow. Oh, dip it in the ketchup if you want it.
So, what's next? What are we working towards here?
Pancakes.
I'm gonna do some pancakes. This is good. So, join us next time. We got pancakes on the list. And look for some other challenges where Max, improves his skills because he needs to improve his skills as a cook. See you next time.
Bye.